Good morning, Tamina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, which is video number 5, we will continue seeing the equation for straight line in the general form y is equals to mx plus c and how to plot it if the table form is given to you. This is the target for today's video. But at the same time, in the previous video, I asked you to check Desmos. So I don't know how many of you have tried it out. So I will let you know here how to see, because the purpose was to check it. What is the impact if we change the number which is written with the coefficient of x or the y-intercept? I mean by gradient and by y-intercept. If I take here 2x plus 1, if I take here 2x plus 4, so what is the change we notice in the line? So this is what we have to see, right? So let's see here. So I will write here Desmos. Okay, you can see on the first line it is written Desmos graphing. Press it. And now again the first one is graphing calculator. Press that. So now you can see the keyboard is here. On the left side also in the bottom you can see the keyboard mark. If it doesn't appear, you can press the button and it will appear here. So now I'm writing y is equals to, I'm using the keyboard, okay, 3x plus 1. So what did you notice? The y-intercept is 1. Let's see here, the line y-intercept is 1. Okay. Now what I will do, under this equation, there is, I will press the button, screen, and you see, now I have option to type here again. I'm writing y is equals to 3x. I'm keeping the gradient same, okay, plus 3 for example. Or let me change it to 4. So what did you notice? If you keep the gradient same, the lines are parallel. Did you notice this thing? Only the y-intercept has changed. You can see here on the y-axis it is passing through 1, the red line, and the blue line through 4. So, but these are parallel line. Let me show you. Let me show you like this. See, parallel line. So I'm just dragging the screen, by the way. Press with my finger, I'm just dragging the screen, right? So these are parallel line. Now let's see what happens if you change the gradient. So again, you can see the different colors here. Now I'm typing y is equals to, instead of 3, let me take a very small number, suppose 0.5. 0.5x, and let me keep the y-intercept same. Y is equals to 0.5x plus 1. So what did you notice in the green line? The gradient is steeper. It should not be steeper. So what is the problem? Problem is it is not 0.5, it is 0.5 I have written by mistake. You see, the immediately I saw the line is steeper, I said how come? So I look at the equation again. I'm writing 0.5. Now this is fine, because 0.5 is a very small number compared to 3. So now you see the steepness of the line has changed. The green line is less steeper. So this is what we have noticed by changing the numbers, that if gradient is same, the lines are parallel. If gradient is smaller, it is less steeper. So you can try out more by putting different numbers. So I wanted to tell you how to use it. Now let's go back. So this equation, this example I have taken here, solve one, and then there is another one in which you will solve it. So if the tabulation form is given to you, this x and y coordinate in point, it means 1 comma minus 3. So you can see 1 comma minus 3 is this point. Then next is 2 comma minus 1, which is written like this in the coordinate form, which is this one. Then it is 3 comma 1. I'm reading how to write in the coordinate form. You don't need to. This is I'm just doing to explain it to you, right? Otherwise, straight away from here, I can see 4, 3, then 5, 5. And then I can join these points. So let's join these points. Let me do it again. It's not very beautiful. I don't have a ruler. I'm using this thing, okay? So let me make it pass through all points. Yes, now it is perfect. So you can notice here, what is the y-intercept here, by the way? Absolutely right. The y-intercept is -5. So this one I have done for you. In the next case, you will, oh, table is not completed here, so you have to complete the table first. And you have learned how to do substitution, so you can do it. So very quickly you will find out what is the y-coordinate here, here, and here. So I will help you in that. Equation of the line is given to you. Y is equals to 2x plus 4. So to find out this y-coordinate, I will plug in x minus 1 in this. Okay, and you know how to substitute it, basic algebra you know. So 2 times minus 1 is minus 2 plus 4 is 2. Okay, now let me substitute 1 to check the y-coordinates in the same equation of the line. So now it is this. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 4, 6. Okay, now I will plug in 2 in the same equation in place of x. By the way, I am writing here. You can do it mentally also, right? 4 plus 3 is, oh sorry, it is not 3, it is 4, my mistake. See, teacher can also make mistake. Okay, so now these are my points which I have to plot, right? So first one is -1 and 2. So if I see -1 and 2 will be, let me take some other color, green color. -1 and 2 will be marked here, right? We have learned in the previous videos. Then it is 0, 4. This is 0. Let me write here also. This is 1. 0, 4 will be here. By the way, mostly to your level, when the xy plane is given, numbers are written here, right? And this -1 also I will take little here. Just give me a second, because it was not given, so I'm writing it myself. And by the way, you may notice one thing. Along x-axis, after 2 boxes, I'm writing number, right? Whereas along y-axis, number is written after 1 unit. So that is fine, right? It is perfectly okay. It is not necessary that both x and y-axis have the same differences between the number, not necessary. So the first point was what? -1 and 2. So -1 and 2 I will mark here. Then it was 0, 4. I have marked here. After that it is 1, 6 and 2, 8. So 1 is here, 1 is here, 6 is here. So it is here 1, 6. Then it was 2 and 8. Tick, 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 tick. Here, right? And then last one was 3 and 10. So 3 is here. So I will go straight on this line, and this is 10. Right? So this is how, once I have marked all the point, then I can draw this straight line with the help of some other color which is prominent. So now I'm drawing the line. Okay, so here is the line, you can see. So y-intercept is what? 4. Absolutely right. Gradient I have not taught you yet how to find the gradient, right? So you have drawn this line, the y-intercept was 4, and you are also getting 4, so your line is 110% correct. So thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video we will go to the gradient. Okay, what is gradient and how to find it out. So you can find the link in the description below. Please take care. Allah Hafiz, and don't forget to press like and subscribe button to encourage me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.